I tell you, for me today, I'll have to work on being gracious and patient. Most days it's pretty easy for me because, you know, I've been shown so much grace. Understand where you're at as you head into, the day and the battle and stuff, so you don't fail. Because if you give someone a less than your best, you're failing them. You walk around like that, you fail the world. So that's unacceptable. So then I'm at that frequency I was at in that last video to you, right? If you're paying attention, you picked up on that. And that was coming out of the gym, so you already know I'm like processing a lot, right? But then I will build myself up, and that's so important that I was like, I may as well just do that in front of you guys, right? So then I can't stay at a low frequency going into my day. I need to be on the right, have the right energy, the right frequency going to my day, the right vibration, right? What's that feel like? That feels like faith. It feels like love. That feels like gratitude. That feels like being like, wow, well, I got a beautiful day to live. I woke up this morning. I'm so blessed. I promised myself I'd never forget the grace that has been shown to me. I should have been dead multiple times. I'm breathing oxygen right now. I'm pretty strong. I'm pretty young. Thank you. Thank you, Father, for the grace. Thank you, Father, for the strength to do everything you've asked me to do. Thank you, Father, for your wisdom. You said you'd be my counselor. Thank you for being the only one who's never left me or forsaken me in this entire life. Thank you for sustaining me. Thank you that I have everything that I need. Everything that I need. Maybe not everything I want, but I've got everything I need. Thank you for making me your son and watching over me. I know that I'm not alive because I'm so strong or so powerful. I'm only here by His grace. I know that for a fact, and thank you for giving me these platforms and the people that are connected to me through them. Help me to be a good leader, a good contributor. Help me to shine a light that, has an effect, a positive effect on the world and humanity, and help me to recognize the honor of being able to do that. Father, just thank you. Help me to have the right heart as I walk through this day and not to trust in my own intelligence. Father, help me to trust your guidance, and help me to remember that I'm honored by every single one of my adversaries, that the bigger the battle and the stronger, the more amazing it is. Help me to realize that I had to get to that level and earn the right to fight that giant. And thanks for carrying me this far, and I thank you that you'll never leave me nor forsake me. And that, my friends, is how you get into a whole different frequency, And I'm empowered. I can run through a wall. I can, I don't know. I'm not that smart, guys. So what you're looking at is a co-authorship with something else. But I am a little crazy, and you gotta be a little crazy, man, if you're gonna be great. I genuinely believe it takes a lot of faith, man. It takes a lot of faith, a lot of acting underneath the streetlights in spite of the darkness, It's just gonna be you. God bless everybody else. They'll show up once you start winning. Maybe you get one or two other bad dudes. I'm finally at the place where I got one or two other bad dudes that are just masters of their own. They're masters of their own craft, and they're just helping me just lay waste, and it's really cool. That's pretty cool. That's about it. Boom. Try not to be too religious or anything, because I don't want anyone to think that. I just don't want to turn people off, man. And I respect everybody and what kind of party they're having, But if you're following me, I gotta give you what I got, and this is the tools, what I got, This is like what the tartar sauce, what I put in it, This is how when we put the blue cheese in it. This is the blue cheese. This is the grape sodas, my man. You know, this is this is the mayonnaise on the mayonnaise turkey sandwich, the leftover turkey sandwich. This is the mayonnaise on the leftover turkey sandwich. Anyways, so I hope it doesn't offend you, but y'all all know by now I gotta be who I am. I gotta be authentic, and I gotta give you what I got because I love you. Sometimes people ask me like how I can say I love you through here. They're like, you don't even know who it is, or you just love your followers. You love it's like, no, man, I love humanity, man. Like, I understand this. Now, don't get me wrong. I don't necessarily like people. Like when things are too people-y, I want to leave those environments. But I love humanity through the understanding of the struggle and like what we're all going through in the world, the private battles we're fighting, and having to fight against ourselves, or like who we are, having to fight against who we are to become who we are. We're controlled to be, and who we were created to be, and like the whole struggle. Like whether you look like me, smell like me, walk like me, talk like me. I want to see you win, man. I want to see you win. I even want to see my enemies win. I don't even really have enemies, but like I even want to see people that want to see me fall. I want to see them be happy and see them win, man. I want to tell them I love them and all these things. I'm just crazy like that, to the bitter end. If I got to do what I got to do to protect, and if I have to take a life to protect, I do that. Act with reverence and love and respect and understanding. At the end of a conflict, something that people don't really pay attention to is the humanity. Like the guy that didn't make it, that's laying on the floor, that's bled out or whatever you did, he's just a human being with different ideas, man. Like different upbringing. You don't know what led him to that moment, man. That he was without sin though the first stone is because you don't have the perspective. You don't know what his life was. You don't know what led him to that moment. It's always a tragedy. But sometimes it's necessary. And life is just this beautiful soliloquy of these polarizing energies. And that's what makes it magical. Boom! What's up, you guys? Byron Rodgers here. And if that video meant anything to you, if it inspired you, if you appreciated it, I just want to ask you to possibly support us on Patreon. I generate hundreds of videos per year and spend thousands on free content for you guys per month because it simply is a passion of mine. It's the way that I want to contribute to the world, to the best of my ability. So obviously I'm going to continue to do it, but I wouldn't be able to make it sustainable without my partners who support me on Patreon. So thank you so much if you already do. And if you haven't done that, it's, for what you pay to McDonald's per month, you could help push the mission and this work forward. So anyways, either way, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, check the link below to support me on Patreon if you're interested in that. God bless, Semper Fi, and I'll see you on the next piece of content, y'all. Boom.